Hi everybody, it's Nunu, your friendly teacher guide, and my purpose in this video is to provide an overview of this assignment, video and written discussion, How It Feels to Be Colored Me, a 1928 personal essay by Zora Neale Hurston. Now the first thing you need to know about this assignment is that it is going to prepare you to write a personal essay next week. And the model for all personal essays has to be How It Feels to Be Colored Me by Hurston. It's in the stratosphere in terms of quality for personal essays. It's one of the best I've ever read. So it teaches you to reach for the sky, to reach for what is possible in writing, not probable, not to write in cliches, but to be your own original self. All right, that said, let's look at the assignment directions here. We can see a beautiful photograph of Zora Neale Hurston. We have a famous passage from this week's work, How It Feels to Be Colored Me, right here. And we have assignment notes. We have a lot of other detailed and helpful information. Now, I'm not going to read this information to you. I'm going to ask you to read it very carefully to yourself, all the directions from beginning to end. I'm just going to point out a few key pieces of information to keep in mind. And what is number one? Our class rule: use artificial intelligence, AI, appropriately. Find out about this rule right here. Read all about it. And my second piece of information that I need to point out to you is that you will be going to post a video response, which is due by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday, to the questions I ask you here in these directions about how it feels to be colored me. And I'm going to click on that link, and the essay pops up. We can see it's there. I'm going to go back to our directions, scroll back down to the video so you can see it here. And I know what you're thinking. You might be thinking, this is what I think, that I haven't posted a video in a class discussion before. How do I do that? Never fear, I have an answer. You're going to come over here to course modules, and you're going to come to the what, why, and how we'll learn in week 1 tab right here. Click on it. And then you're going to click on assignment text, scroll down, and what do you see? You see the video and written discussion, and you see 2 very helpful videos that will show you how to make a video and how to post a video in our discussion. Now, in this video, you do not have to show your face. You can simply record your voice. That's a possibility, and that's fine. If you do so, however, make sure that you do not record a video in Starbucks, a cafe, someplace that seems quiet to you, but in which there will be a lot of background noise that the recorder will pick up. Go somewhere very, very quiet to record the video. We have to be able to hear you, okay? Now, going back to our discussion, I do have a couple more things to point out to you. And one of them is that we have peer evaluations. They're due on Sunday, and peer evaluations are super important. They're a vital part of the teaching learning process in this class because peer evaluations allow us not to have one teacher in this class with a single perspective, but many teachers with multiple perspectives. We all teach and learn from each other. And peer evaluations are worth a lot of points, so you do want to complete them. Read them very carefully, okay? Read all the directions here very carefully. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm over here in inbox. I answer emails very rapidly. Or you can come over here to home, click on home, and then scroll down a little way to this office hours icon right here. I'm going to click on it. And you'll find out when my Zoom office hours are if you want to meet face-to-face in cyberspace, and all the Zoom access information is right here. Okay, so who am I? I'm Nunu. I'm your friendly teacher guide, and I hope that this video was useful to you.